Moving your shoulders and your arms and your legs. Pull your spine maximum up, 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 up. Now inhale, lift both the legs 45-degree up. Both the arms, chest, head up, 45-degree. Hold it there for 50 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and relax. Slowly you can improve up to 50. Feet apart, arms apart. Relax your body. Close your eyes. Relax your lower back. Stomach, shoulders. Now slowly bring your feet together. Arms by the side of your body. One more leg stretch. Inhale, bring your right leg up. 2, 3, 4. Bend your knee. Just bend. And I will show you that. Just watch. Lifting your head. Inhale up.
Right leg up.
Hold the feet and press
Hold the feet
onto the side.
and press the knees to the side.
Be very good for your lower thigh.
Good for your lower thighs
Improve your pelvis. Will be
and also opens up your pelvis.
Keep it 90 degree. 90 degree. Should be like this. Yes. Press, press. Not like that. 90 degree. Head down, chest down. And hold it this way. Hold. Then this and help them. Press down. Don't look here and there. Just concentrate what happening. Press down more, 90 degree. Keep your 90 degree. Keep it the other way. This way. Yes. Yes. Now inhale, lift your leg up. Up, 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 up. Exhale, relax. Now inhale, lift your left leg up. And slowly bend your knee, hold the feet, press onto the ground. Keep the calf muscles and your feet 90 degree. Facing the ceiling. Press more. And breathe. Other way, hold it this way. Yes, yeah. Very good. Straighten your leg. Keep it 90 degree. Just keep it this way. That will help you a lot. Press and breathe. Now inhale, stretch your arm, leg up, and relax. Now inhale, Lift both the legs up. Bend your knee, hold and press. Keep it 90 degree. Not other way, other way, other way. Holding, yes.
The
Without
same
lifting your
exercise,
hip.
but with both your legs.
Don't lift your
Yes.
buttocks up. Should not be. Hold and press. Without lifting your buttocks, don't lift your buttocks up. 90 degree, keep your leg 90 degree. Not in butterfly. Kana? 90 degree, that's very, very important. Press and bring your knee on the floor, both the side of your body. The very, very good for dancers. Exhale, relax, stretch your both the legs up. Exhale, slowly relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feet apart, arms apart, relax your body. One more stretch.
When you get an opportunity to relax, then close your eyes, feet apart, hands apart, and relax. Take
Now
deep,
slowly
long
bring your
breaths.
feet together, arms by the side of your body. Turn your body to the right side and slowly come up and sit. Today we'll move on Trikonasana variation, and then tomorrow I can work more on Vinyasa. You are all very, very, very good. I will show you Trikonasana variations, how we are going to do that. Right leg, right side. Inhale.
Inhale.
Feel that one wall is there, imaginary wall.
Imagine there's a wall. Using your wrist, push against the wall and go down on your right knee. Push maximum against the wall. Come up. Turn your body to the side. Interlock the fingers.
Back in.
Inhale, bend back.
Exhale again.
Exhale.
Body should be stretched maximum.
Stretch from the
Not
spine.
just bending legs. Just stretch forward. And you feel that you're a paper rock. And how you spread it. You spread like this, slowly. Similarly, you have to feel your body and you bring your stomach first onto the
Exhale.
eyes and slowly relax. Smile.
Try to touch the nose onto the knees.
It's very good for the hamstring and your abdomen. And slowly bend your knee. Bring your
Bend your
forehead.
knee and try to touch the floor.
Then inhale slowly.
Inhale. Come to the knee first. Exhale. Inhale, come up and relax. Now on the left side. Pushing against the imaginary wall. Turn the body to the left, interlock the fingers, inhale, bend back, exhale, go all the way down to the knees. And then to the floor. Then back to the knee. Inhale, come up and relax. Now we'll do Trikonasana.
Don't give any holding. Just relax your hands, okay? Again, stretch forward,
Exhale, stretch forward,
up, and
pushing your
bring the
buttocks
nose on
up.
the ground.
Bring the nose onto the ground. Inhale, exhale.
To the part.
Can you move forward?
And rub your palm. Keep on your eyes and slowly and gradually open your eyes. Thank you.
Today we've just dealt with very few things because we have limited time. So these 2 days are just to give you a feel of how yoga can be helpful, how your body feels after doing certain breathing techniques and all. So if you have further doubts or clarifications or you want to know something more, you can talk to us later. And one more thing, you can maybe go back home today and try the breathing techniques, the Ujjayi breathing. It's very good. And tomorrow when you come for the session in the morning, please ensure that you use the Odomos. We have like enough tubes there, so please feel free to apply on your face, your hands and your feet and everything. Okay? So that you'll be a little more comfortable. Otherwise the concentration goes into the mosquitoes. And one more thing, again, just a reminder, please keep your eyes closed. It's very important. I know you might be disturbed because of, the mosquitoes and all, but please ensure that your eyes remain closed. Okay, because this is for yourself. You're doing it for yourself. So please be involved in it. Okay? Thank you. Just one more announcement. So tomorrow we have the session at the same time, 6 o'clock. Tomorrow we'll be dealing with some asanas and 2 more pranayama techniques. So please do attend the session tomorrow morning. Thank you so much. You can use the Odomos there because there might be a lot of disturbance. It's quite bad. So you can use it. We have. Please apply on your face, your neck, your back, your arms, your feet. Those who have the yoga mat, you can roll your yoga mat and you can sit on that.